Loves Jessie here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're gonna be doing an everyday makeup look. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my makeup on a daily basis, like a simple, cute, natural makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my makeup every day, make sure you stay tuned. And if you're new, subscribe to this channel. Endeavor to hit the subscribe button right down below. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm just gonna grab my cup of coffee right here. I can't remember when last we did a makeup tutorial, makeup look on this channel. However, it's interesting because that's like the base of my channel. That's what I began my YouTube channel doing. So why should we leave it out? We shouldn't, right? First off, I make sure that I go in my primer. This is Iman of Noble. I'm gonna use that as the base of my makeup. Oh, I haven't even opened it yet, guys. Just gonna apply that. This is supposed to be a very quick video. I hope we do it quickly because I have like other contents to film today. Now that I have that primer nice and laid, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. For foundation, I'm just gonna be going in with our sheglam. You all know how much I love this sheglam foundation. If you've been watching my videos, you know I use it a lot, especially for an everyday makeup look. Here you go. This is in the shade Caramel. So it is called the Skin Finite Skin. I cannot talk. What is wrong with me? It's called the Skin Finite Hydrating Foundation. Just make sure you shake that properly. Pretty much put like that much of a quantity. We don't want so much foundation going out during the day, especially here in Dubai. With this hot weather, like your face will be melting no matter how much you set your face, it's still gonna be melting. To blend in that foundation, I'm just using my Real Techniques number 200 to blend that into the skin. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I use a brush to blend in my foundation, I always go back with a beauty blender because for some reason I always feel like it's not properly blended until I go back in with my blender. So that's just what I'm doing right now. I'm using my damp beauty blender to like finish up that blend. So I did a video about my 1k subscribers. Probably y'all are gonna see that video before you see this makeup tutorial. I'm so happy, I'm so blessed. Y'all can even imagine how long it took me to get here, but we are here now. We thank God. For concealer, I'm still going in with my sheglam. I love sheglam makeup a lot. I love their makeup products a whole lot, and the funniest thing is that it's very affordable and it does the work perfectly. So I'm trying to look for the name of the concealer. It's called like Magic 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer. Anti-Sen means anti-acne. This shade is honey. Hey honey. I'm gonna apply that concealer under my eye just a little bit, directly under my eye, guys, directly, and a little bit over here, right here, here, and here. I'm going back in with that same blender. Just going back in with that foundation brush to remove any harsh line. For setting powder, I'm just going in with my Revlon Color Stay matte powder right here. It's in the color translucent, I guess. Here, to set the remaining area of my face, I'm just going in with this palette right here. Oh my goodness, this is messy. Just going in with this shade. I'm mixing it up with this one and this one. These three shades. I'm just gonna use that as the bronzer. I don't always do cream contour, even if I'm doing like a full face of makeup. I don't do cream contour. That's just like something about me that I don't know why. I don't know why I don't do it, but I don't just do it. Let me mention, guys, this is the Real Techniques brush in the number 400. So moving over to my brows, I have this MAC pencil. Like, yo, what is this? I'm crazy. For a little bit of color, that's blush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. You see it has this orangey undertone. That's why I like it. I'm going to use that for my blush. One thing about me, guys, I'm always going to have a wing liner. It doesn't matter if it is an everyday look or not an everyday look. I'm always going to have a wing liner and my eyelashes done. That is me. Okay, that's just me. You might decide not to do it if you don't want to, but I always do that. I'm just gonna do my eyelashes off camera and I will get back to you guys with the lips, okay? I'm just gonna be lining my lips using these two sticks right here. One is a dark brown and one is a lighter brown. Let me see if I can show you guys. You also these two brown shades, right? One is a darker brown and one is a lighter brown. So that's that about this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and remember to subscribe down below if you're new. Subscribe, and until then I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.